Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to apply ERDIS Scholarship located on Italy. This is very important video because of a number of subscribers are asking me to making this video how we are applying the scholarship. So in this video, I will try to explain entire process. So we will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So first of all, we will see how to register ERDIS scholarship. So we can just type here ERDIS, mark your login, enter. So first link is display here. Even I already put this link in video description as well. I just simply click here and look at this here, reserve area. In this area you can access contact for the other close interested. So here two options are available. If you have already login, so go with login, otherwise sign in. So sign in point of view only for international student without an Italian identity document. It means I am not Italian resident student, so I can sign in here. Some related informations are available here. This page is important as my point of view. You can change the languages also here, which language you are comfortable, accordingly change the language, like translate and select your language, but I select here in English language. So we can simply click here register. So we need to register first of all. So I register here my first name, last name, my email address, male, female, select your date of birth. So I simply select here my date of birth. I can simply select here 15th of July and then I change here 1987. Simple. Country, my country is India. Sometimes this is not translate, so you can use your Google Translate. Do you have valid Italian identity documents and residence permit? If you have yes, so go with yes I. If you have no, so you can go with no, but I have. I can select here state, date of birth, simply select no, no. India, your date of birth, place, and put it here password. Password must be in case sensitive, and remember always your password. Some basic other informations also here. If you are facing some problem for login, so you can write an email from this ID, register, accept this terms and conditions, register. So they are sending me email. So we open first of all my email address. Here is an email address. They are sending me one email. Dear student, we receive your request to confirm. Please click this link. I click this link. Again we can copy this one. So we can read registration is decided to foreign student only. Your request was successfully confirmed. You will receive a login credential from our security. After 2-3 hours they are providing me login credential. It's my experience. Today is a Sunday, so definitely the working days you can sign up as a working day, like a Monday to Friday in between 10 to 5, so you can very easily receive such kind of information. So now the registration is successfully done for all students. And here specific this scholarship located on Ancona, Italy. So this is a page erdis.it. I already put this link also in video description. So here several informations are available. Even you can translate the entire page also. Sometimes the translation is working and sometimes it's not. So here the translation is working perfectly. So online counter, booking, appointment, student login, scholarship, foreign student, service provider, events, video, and so on. So we targeted first of all in online counter. So if you have some problem or you're not understand how to fill out and where I apply the scholarship, so you can click the specific this button like online counter. The person are providing you detailed information, so you can book the appointment also. Online information desk, you can read this information, and here book your appointment. So you can book the appointment if you are not understand how to apply and what is the process. So this is a simple way to book appointment. Click here and solve your problem. Information related in commercial center, urban, commercial, right study, accommodation related informations are available here. Accommodation and some which information you are receiving from this help desk, accordingly you book the appointment. So suppose for example accommodation and contact canteen desk related information, so you just simply click here. Duration of the 20 minutes, okay, I click here. and then select your day, like tomorrow is availability is available 9 o'clock to 12:20. 13th of August also availability, and number of 31st also availability. You can select, like suppose for example tomorrow I will select at 12 o'clock. Put it here your name, email address, ID, and then book the appointment, and you will receive the confirmation shortly. So this is a machine prediction. So look at this. So I am receiving such kind of information related email. So my appointment is booked. So I can open my email address, and here this appointment is online. No need to go anywhere in a physical. So you just click this particular link and open your Teams software, and very easily connect the person and ask question regarding your query. It's very simple process to accept this process. Second option, if you are facing the problem for the anything regarding the information, so online counter is available for the required to reservation, book appointment. So different categories, click to book your appointment for the ERDIS counter for the online interview with operators. So online interview related appointment you can also book here. So information related, interviews related information, you need to book appointment and then them ask lot of question. Even I already say you can ask the specific help desk counter also. If you are booking the appointment of accommodation in canteen related, so you can ask different question also. They are providing helping you very easily. This is the best option. Here student login, I have no login ID yet. I am not receiving credential yet, so I am not able to log in. After I am receiving the credential, I can very easily log in here. So working hour, they are providing me credential. So here student login related information is also available, and here scholarship. So scholarship, how many months they are providing, what is the article 34, constitutions of Italian, some basic informations are available here. Call for benefits, guide of support of this notice, online questions, scholarship call archive related informations are available. Even question answering also available here. What is a scholarship, how to apply, how many benefits, what is the test, how we are submit, how to register, and how we are receiving the scholarship related informations are available here. If you are not facing the problem, if you are facing the problem, you can ask me the question in the comment section. I will definitely help you. We can go back here. Foreign student related informations are available here. In this section, foreign student may be information related. Scholarship announcement like a 2022 to 2023. So next year scholarships are coming here. So call for scholarship, calls for scholarship in English version related information, housing calls and housing calls for the English. So if you are not understand Italian language, so go with like English version. So I click here. Next is scholarship related information. So notice competition award scholarship study academic year 2022-23. So next generation European Union. So here information they are providing like a 60-page informations are available here. You can read carefully how to apply, what is the deadline, how we apply, processing, your criteria, and which course you are applying, like a master's degree, bachelor's degree or PhD degree. So here some of the informations are available here. So you are receiving all questions of in this particular PDF. Even I put it this link in video description also. In this video you receive a number of links, so you can click the link and then very easily understand. So here housing related informations also available. What is the criteria, how we are receiving, and benefits related informations are available here. For the housing point of view, they are providing you good quality room. I already make the video about this room, and even they are providing you canteens also, like a normal price of this food like 11 euro, but you can pay like a 2 or 3 euro, or some students are paying nothing in zero, and you can eat food also 2 times, morning breakfast, lunch and dinner. So this is the advantage of this scholarship. And here English versions are available, and here registration related information is also available for the English version. So you can read those information very seriously and understand first of all, and then you can do the process of scholarship. Service providers also available here. So they are providing here accommodation related service provider, study services, transport services, non-student services. So you can click here and read this process, particular transport services. Even they providing you transport services also for the limitation and some other informations are available here. Everything is available on this particular page. You can open this page, understand one by one how to log in, how to do, and how we are receiving this scholarship. So this is a simple video of ERDIS Scholarship. If you are facing some problem, you can ask me the question. Otherwise, you can follow my instruction I already mentioned in this video. First of all, sign in, log in, and then understand one by one process and apply this scholarship. I can say here, best of luck all my subscribers and viewers who are watching this video. So definitely you are receiving, and focus on your education.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.